Hi guys, welcome back to our Ti-NspireApps. Today I'll be showing you guys a little bit about our Algebra Made Easy app. So this app covers both Algebra 1 and Algebra 2, and if you are a high schooler, college student, anyone wanting to refresh on the subject, then this app is perfect for you. Let's get right into it. Why not? Okay, menu. So like our other apps, the Algebra Made Easy app is split into chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Algebra, functions, polynomials, points and lines, etc. And then those chapters are split into smaller sections. So let's start with polynomials. Let's do synthetic division. Why not? Let's do this when x equals 2. So as soon as I plugged in all of my information, I got my answer just like that. Here too, and if you go down a bit more, okay, it doesn't go down, with remainder -10. Okay, let's make this an 8. Done. My answer is right here, with remainder of 440. Let's make this 4. Remainder 28, and my answer is right over here. 9. Done. So that's only synthetic division. If we go back to polynomials, then we can also do factor and find zeros. Let's still make this a 2, plug it in. Okay, so here's what we're solving, and then step by step, we lay this out for you until we get our answer right over here. And it doesn't matter what you plug in over here, you will always get your answer. So that was factor and find zeros. Let's go back to the original one, polynomials, just like this. Let's do 10 instead of 15. Okay, if we go up a bit, we have our degree, our coefficients, our leading coefficient, possible rational zeros, dominant term, everything is right here. And as soon as I plug in my numbers, I get my answer. So let's change this into 56, why not? So if we go up again, all of the information is still right here. Okay, if we're going to go into algebra, why not? Let's do solve 2 times 2 system step by step. Let's make this a 2 instead. Okay, and as you can see over here, we step by step lay out to you how you would solve this equation and solve the problem. And then the answer is right over here. Okay, let's say this was actually, what, 19. If we go up a bit more, answer, step by step, and then you get your answer right here. Okay, let's go back to the main frame, and let's go to Trig. Let's do SAS case. Why not? Okay, let's plug this 3 in again. And there are always directions or instructions over here so you know what to do. Okay, so as soon as I plugged in all of my information, I already know I'm using the law of cosine, and as I'm going down here, I see that to find side z, I have to use the law of cosine, plug in all the numbers, and then simplify to get this number over here. And same thing goes for the find angle x and find angle y. Of course, area too. Okay, let's make this, let's make these numbers actually 4 and 4 again. So same thing goes. Using law of cosine, find side z's, angle x, and angle y. Use the formula, we plug in the information in, plug the numbers into the formula, and then simplify and get you your answer. And of course, you can always do this for yourself and then double check. If you go back to menu, matrices are also a huge part of Algebra 1 and 2. Let's say 2 matrices, A plus B, A minus B. Let's make this 5, A 9, why not? Okay, and if we go down here, then we have A plus B, A plus B, A minus B, a minus b. Okay. Go up a bit more, we have b times a, and you have a times b. So this also shows you step by step and just physically shows you how to solve this matrix problem and how you would set it up and how you would write your answer. And of course, there's always something explaining what to do. And again, a plus b, a minus b, right here. And if you forget to add a number over here, there are little blocks over here that show you that you actually have to fill in more numbers out. So that's also your computer telling you that you're missing something. So plug in that 6 or whatever number, and then answer is right here. And that 6 is right here and right here. Okay, let's go back to the main menu. We have points and lines. Let's hit that. So if you're given 2 points, you don't know how to find the distance, midpoint. We have the formulas right here. We plug in the information for you, and then we find the answer for you. And this is a step-by-step solving. So you can solve this for yourself in the double check. We can also solve it for you and show you how to do it in case you're confused or your teacher didn't really explain it well or you don't quite understand it yet. This app is perfect for all of those reasons. And of course, we have distance, slope, point slope form, slope intercept form, standard form, and we always have the formula and then we plug in the numbers for you. To go back to functions, we also usually have a section where you can read about what we call a vocab word or examples to let you know what you're learning. If you go back to menu, then we also have other chapters that also cover other parts in algebra, and of course we also have our if you go back to menu, our about and help section. If you need to contact us for some reason or you don't really understand part of our app, we're here for you, and you can always give us a call or contact us. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in this app, you can go to our website, www.Ti-NspireApps.com. We have other videos of other apps on YouTube. You can go out and check those out. We have apps for chemistry, physics, statistics, step-by-step, pre-calculus, calculus. We also have apps to prepare you for your ACTs and SATs. So those are also pivotal in getting into college. So we have you and we show you everything step by step. Thank you so much for watching this video.